This Justin, I have a small dick.
That's right, Benjamin. Last night you performed miserably.
Gina, your breasts are so small that they look like freshly picked raspberries on a 6-year-old boy's chest.
Benjamin, your pubes were so long that it looked like your dick had sideburns. It was also obvious that you have not showered in 3.5 weeks.
Gina, we are not discussing me, we are discussing you. I want everyone to know that you are a cock capper. That's right, a cock capper.
Excuse me, Ben?
Everyone, this bitch here to the right actually blocked off the top of my penis so that I could not ejaculate. She squeezed hard, and I had to squirt my load back into my balls.
Holy fuck, Ben, shut up.
Do you have any idea what that feels like? It is like having to shove your own fecal matter back into your large intestine. T-hats not all, Gina. You have so much stomach fat that when you were riding me, it looked like your belly was caving in on itself and making a soup bowl.
A soup bowl?
You are such a flabby bitch that your stomach implodes on itself, and you could eat a bowl of Honey Nut Cheerios out of it.
You know what, Benjamin? Fuck you. You are just a pervert, and I don't know why you won't give our relationship a better chance.
It is because you are a stupid fucking bitch who thinks that the correct way to handle a man's penis is to grab it like a carrot stick and then twist and pull on it like a bicycle pump, followed by some pinching on the shaft. You clearly do not know how to handle a man's mighty cock. You stupid bitch, once again.